You don't dislike houses in general. You've just outgrown this one. It doesn't fit how you live and it doesn't support what you need. And deep down, you've known that for a while now. Most people, they're not chasing bigger or new. They're craving better. Better flow, better function, better alignment with real life. And that's why barndominiums keep pulling at you. Open space, purpose built layouts, no wasted rooms, no forcing a lifestyle that doesn't fit anymore. If your current place feels limiting, temporary, or like a compromise that you've tolerated long enough, that's not restlessness, that's clarity. And you don't need all the answers yet. You just need to stop ignoring what's next. You know you want a Barndo. I'm the Barndo chick. Click the link.